dances. Right? You should have been out here a little bit earlier. I didn't have such luck with that. Well, listen, thank you for joining us here today. Ted, I'm going to start with you. We know that our story picks up right where the Princess and the Frog left off. So bring us into the story. What's happening to us?
Thanks, Josh. So, as we all know, at the end of the film, Princess Tiana realizes her lifelong dream when she opens Tiana's palace. I mean, she's such an inspirational character, and in our brand new story, she's become this great entrepreneur and community leader. So, the year is 1927, and to celebrate carnival season, she's hosting a party for the people of New Orleans. But she discovers her celebration is missing a very special ingredient. And she needs our help to go find it. So we're gonna join Tiana and Louis. We all love Louis, right? We're all gonna take a magical trip to the Bayou where we're going to meet brand new friends to invite to the party, and they have a very special role in these festivities. So great.
The story sounds amazing. I know how much passion you guys are pouring into it. And I'm excited about how the team is bringing this experience to life in some new and special ways. So Sharita, tell us a little bit about how this attraction is all coming together.
Okay, well, first of all, Josh, I just have to let you know, we have the most amazing team working on this attraction. Yes.
Imagine you guys are just amazing.
And we are having a lot of fun with mock-ups, making this a transformational experience. When we are in these environments, it's important that they inspire a sense of awe in us. So we are taking advantage of that massive structure by using the latest cutting-edge technology to further enhance that sense of grandeur. And as you can see here, this attraction is going to be gorgeous at night. What I have always loved is when we have the opportunity to take our tried and true techniques and then combine them with our digital tools for animating and lighting to just create a brand new attraction experience for our guests. For example, we're going to use mist like a painter's canvas to create this amazing sense of aura, which is going to be different from anything that you have seen in an attraction. It's something that I like to refer to as Bayou, true Bayou magic. And Josh, that's just the tip of the iceberg.
I know. Well, I love this idea of true Bayou magic. Carmen, can you tell us a little bit about the research that the team has been conducting in New Orleans to make this a really, really authentic experience?
Absolutely, Josh. I mean, that's what we're all about. You know, even though Tiana is a character in the story, her culture and the place she comes from is very real. We want this attraction to be a love letter to New Orleans.
Woo! Woo!
Yes. It's important for our guests to feel how we approach the story in an authentic way. You know, if you're from New Orleans, you should feel like you're coming home. You know, if you've never been to New Orleans, well, this attraction will make you want to go.
Well, I love this idea of a love letter. It's a great way to put it. And I know that you and the team have taken multiple research to engage with the New Orleans community. Why don't you tell us a little bit about what that was like, the people that you met?
Okay. Well, you know, what makes the city so special is the people. And we've met some incredible individuals and groups. Their perspective have become a filter we're using for all aspects of our work. You know, in search of inspiration, we've been working with local artists, Sharika. This is amazing. You know, she created this and several other pieces to help us along our journey in developing this important new attraction. We've also spent time with Stella Chase Reese. She's really now an honorary Imagineer, an amazing woman. She is the daughter of Chef Leah Chase, who is the inspiration, you know, for Princess Tiana. Yes, indeed. We've been learning more about this important role that food plays in New Orleans culture. And here's one of my favorite quotes from the film. The thing about good food is it brings folks together from all aspects of life.
Absolutely, Carmen. That is so true and said so well. I know we'll see food come to life in new ways at Disneyland too, and you're all going to hear more about that in the near future. I'm so excited about all of these plans. So Carmen, Sharita, Ted, thank you so much for sharing with us today. Thank you for the fantastic work that you're all doing in bringing Tiana's first attraction to life. Really inspiring stuff. Now, I know our Disneyland and Disney World guests are going to love this place when it opens in 2024. Thank you all. I appreciate you. You guys take care. Our brilliant Imagineers.